If your furnace blower motor has failed and you're trying to avoid an expensive HVAC service call, this replacement might be exactly what you need. Today we're reviewing the Evergreen Scientific 6205E GE, Genteq 1/2 HP 230V X-13 furnace blower motor. This is a direct replacement style motor designed for residential HVAC systems. But is it reliable, efficient, and worth installing yourself? Let's break it down. The Evergreen 6205E is a 0.5 horsepower, 230V replacement blower motor designed to replace Genteq X-13 constant torque motors commonly found in residential furnace systems. It's built as a universal style replacement option, meaning it can be used across multiple compatible HVAC systems. However, before purchasing, it's critical to confirm horsepower, voltage, and compatibility with your specific furnace model. This motor uses X-13 constant torque technology, which is more efficient than traditional PSC motors. Instead of running at one fixed speed, it adjusts torque output to maintain consistent airflow. That means better energy efficiency and improved airflow performance throughout your home. If your old blower motor was struggling with uneven heating or weak airflow, upgrading to a constant torque motor can noticeably improve system performance. One of the main benefits of upgrading to an X-13 style motor is improved efficiency. Compared to older PSC motors, these motors typically consume less electricity while delivering better airflow control. Over time, that can mean lower energy bills and reduced strain on your HVAC system. The Evergreen 6205E feels solid and professionally built. It's designed for long-term residential use and built to handle continuous seasonal operation. Since furnace blower motors often run for hours at a time during winter or summer cycles, durability is extremely important. This model is built to meet those demands. Installation is straightforward for someone familiar with HVAC systems, but it's not necessarily beginner-friendly. Proper wiring and setup are essential. If you're experienced with HVAC repairs, this can be a cost-saving DIY solution. However, if you're unsure about electrical wiring or system configuration, professional installation is strongly recommended to avoid damage or safety risks. One noticeable improvement many users experience when replacing an old failing motor is quieter operation. Constant torque motors typically operate more smoothly, reducing vibration and noise compared to worn-out traditional motors. Improved airflow can also lead to more even heating or cooling throughout the home. This blower motor is ideal for homeowners replacing a failed 1/2 HP 230V X-13 motor in a compatible furnace system. It's especially useful for those looking to improve efficiency without replacing the entire HVAC system. It's also a strong option for HVAC technicians looking for a reliable universal replacement. Overall, the Evergreen Scientific 6205E GE, Genteq 1/2 HP 230V X-13 furnace blower motor is a reliable and efficient replacement option for residential HVAC systems. If you're replacing a failing blower motor and want better efficiency without upgrading your entire furnace, this is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've ever replaced your own furnace motor.